Finally, after a long wait because of snow and stuff, and the courier couldn't get over the mountains or something, I finally got two important tools that I need. One is this set of drills, which makes woodworking very easy with a single tool. I mean with a single screwdriver slash drill. This way you can quickly replace, switch between drill bits. Just pick, take it out, put it in. You don't have to strengthen it, what do you call that? Tighten it, man. What am I drinking? You don't have to tighten it and stuff. You just put it in and it won't spin because it's hexagonal, octagonal. Am I being stupid here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagonal. Okay. So yeah, this was like $4 maybe. If the tips last, then they are well worth it. But even if not, for wood, this is okay usually. The other set is for a router, and I'm really hoping this is good quality Kraft&Dele. This was like $20 for wait, yeah, 12-piece set, and this will be very useful. Unfortunately, it's only for wood, so I would have liked to use these on plastic and on engineered wood with a plastic or whatever finish. Allegedly, that's not good. This won't do that because it's not soft wood, and it chews up the bits really fast. Even the what do you call that, man? Even when you cut the wood, the engineered wood, the blades are used up much faster, so like 10 times faster. So this is only for soft wood, but that's not a problem. I can make the edges of the engineered wood out of simple pine wood, make the shape I want, and then paint it with a really good paint or lacquer, or what do you call it, clear coat, and yeah, you have almost the same result as rounding the edges of an engineered wood. I'd argue even better, because wood is much more consistent in what do you call it, density, and so it will be much flatter and nicer. And yeah, let's just open it up. It's a KD10282, if it says anything to anyone. Maybe it's counterfeit, I don't know. Let's see. Ooh. I can only already tell that this broke. So yeah, this is not very good craftsmanship. I'll have to fix that. But yeah, basically these are all here. With this one you can make channels into the wood, or just make an edge like this. This is mostly for edges because it has the ball bearing here, so you can pull it along a straight line, a ruler or something, and you can achieve this. Yeah, this is also nice. This makes an upside down V channel. I don't know what you call it. I call it a V channel. So you can slide things there without them falling out, even upside down. This is kind of cool, but if you're using soft wood, it's not very mobile. So maybe if you want to just put something in so it won't fall out, yeah, this is good for that. This is just straight with a ball bearing, so you can pull it along ruler or something. I'm not just straight. You can use like a dishware to make round edges and stuff, so it's not just for straight. But first you have to cut it with a jigsaw or something, and a rough shape. Then you go with this and this and this and finish it off. Of course, if we're talking about softwood, because only softwood can be cut with these. These are not very resistant. These are almost the cheapest brand. So this one, this is kind of nice when you put on a plastic edge or some hardwood edge. You just do this, and the additional edge will go under this thing here, the edge. It's also an edge, come on. Okay, straight bit. You can make that, but it's kind of thick, so for drawer bottoms it's not really appropriate. This may be not in the right place. It's too thick for the... But it's, 16. 16! So you're making this for standard OSB PAL engineered wood pieces. So you can fit them into a slot. 16 thickness. Okay, this is nice. I can use most of these already. Oh, here's a tool, which is not... 2 tools. I think these are for 6 and 6.5 millimeters. 6.3. So these are 6.3. And the others also. So I don't know why they gave 2 identical tools. Maybe you lose them or something. Whatever. And this also comes out. Oh boy. Amateur hour. It doesn't come out, but it will. So this has a rounding over. Yeah, this is really nice, but not for very thick materials. This is smaller than this one. This one does mostly the same thing, but bigger circle, or what do you call it? Yeah. These are mainly for cutting grooves, whatever you call it, to put stuff into it, like that. This also, and this is a reverse edge, whatever, that makes a nice, what do you call that, for floors, floor edge. This is that shape. And maybe photo frames, picture frames, like really primitive ones that are not handcrafted, just with this and you're done. So yeah, 20 bucks, and it has all these. What else would I need? I don't think I need anything else, but I also have another one. But yeah, this is not anything special, it's just this one. So I bought this a long time ago because it was really cheap, like $1. And I thought that, even the box is worth $1. So yeah. Interesting. Maybe I will need a much bigger one, because this doesn't seem too big. And I maybe want to work with 2x4s or 4x4s. And those would need a bigger quarter circle, what do you call this? To make a bigger, nicer edge. Yeah, this is too small for that. I will need a bigger one of those. Hopefully my router can take it. It's 1800 watts. A really good minimal quality, but not the cheapest crap. Steinhaus. That's usually really good. So yeah, I will need to make also a table, a desk for it, to mount it upside down, mount the router upside down, so I can just push the wood through it, not necessarily move the router around. So yeah, those are upcoming projects, and hopefully this will allow me to do a lot of stuff I need to do, at least for myself. And yeah, this is not really... This moves around a lot. What's wrong with these ball bearings? They are not tight at all. Are they counting on sawdust getting into them? I mean dust. And that's why they are not very... They don't fit well. Interesting. So yeah, keep your eye out for upcoming videos with my new tools, because these will allow me to do so much more and so much quicker. So I will not quit projects. I will just finish them because they are quick.